This is the new BFG chassis, and I have to be honest, I feel a little bit right now like a kid at Christmas. I used to get those toy models that you could put together of like a car, but this is just a giant version. I'm literally going to start to build or bolt together this Land Rover, and this is a great place to start because I know this chassis is solid and it will last into the future. Now, the first job I need to do is get the axles fitted. They've been completely reconditioned. They've got new bearings, new seals, and they've also been upgraded. They're also fitted with new brakes, which are awesome, and new wheels and tyres. So this is some pretty exciting stuff. I can't wait to get started getting these bits on. This is a coil spring, and it's the type of suspension you'd expect to see in a 2002 Land Rover. However, this is no longer good enough for the BFG Land Rover, so that's out because it's getting replaced with this, an airbag, which is kind of like a party balloon. You can blow more or less air into it, so it's infinitely adjustable, meaning we can get great traction with our tyres. This is going to massively improve the ride and handling of this Land Rover, and that's exactly why it's getting fitted. This Land Rover is now fitted with its very own air suspension system, and that's something I've never seen on a Defender before. Let me give you an overview. So the first thing you're going to need is one of these. This is a compressor that takes the air from the atmosphere around us and compresses it, a bit like me sucking air in through my mouth into my lungs. So once I've done that, I need to store the air, and that's what this is. That's a reservoir, just the same as my lungs. Now, to release the air, I need a series of valves. That's electronic controlled here, and it's a bit like me letting the air out through my mouth. And that air goes to the bags positioned at the 4 different wheels, giving you a very adjustable suspension system, doing things like that. And that gives you ultimate control, making sure you get the optimum contact for your tyres with almost any terrain. What's next? It's time to give it its body back.